Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find your screenshots and recordings on your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So what we're going to be doing for today's video is of course having your PlayStation 5 turned on. We're going to be logged into our dashboard, and what we're going to be doing is coming to our main menu here underneath our game section. Once we're here, we're going to be going to the far right, or we're going to be looking for the game library. It's possible it's a little bit higher on your screen. However, what we're going to be doing is coming here. Once we're here, we should be automatically brought to the installed option right here. If we come down inside, this will be able to see all of our currently installed apps and games on our PlayStation 5. From this point, we're going to be going down here and we're going to be looking for the media library that shows up right here. And this is where we're going to be able to see all of our screenshots and recordings. If we click the X button to open this up, we should get this pop up right here. We simply need to click X again to open, and here we should see the media library with all of the different things that we have recorded and captured. So by default we're brought to the all section. We also have favorites, trophies and albums. So here you have everything categorized, so you can really easily refer back to anything, and you can then come in and see exactly what you want. So if we come back to the all section here for an example, we also have some filtering options here, so we can sort and filter. So here we can sort by date added, newest to oldest. We can sort by media type, screenshots and video clips, so this is a nice option. And below this we also have the select multiple. So here you can click this open, you can select multiple clips and do multiple things at once. So you can select all, deselect all, it'll show you how many you have selected. You can then share. At the moment you can share up to 4 at a time. You can delete, and then you have a couple of extra options here, copy to USB drive or edit in the factory studio. You can only do this with select screenshots and video clips. However, it is nice that you have all these options here. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to find your screenshots and recordings on your PlayStation 5 and even filter and see how everything is set up. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.